which of the following numbers here is the greatest. So we have 2/3, 0.6, 13/22, and 0.08. Now to determine which value is the greatest, we just have to convert the fractions, this one and this one, to decimals, and then we compare each value. So 2/3, or 2 divided by 3, is just equal to 0.67, and then 13/22 is just equal to 0.59. So therefore, the greatest here, if we're going to compare, we have 0.67, 0.6, 0.59, and 0.08. So the greatest is 2/3. So our answer is letter A. In the figure below, lines D and F are parallel, and the angle measures are as given. What is the value of x? So this is our x here. So basically we have 4 lines here: D, F, H, and line G. So lines H, G, and F create a triangle. This one here. So we just need to find this angle here and this angle to solve for x. So, okay, we're given here 35 degrees, this angle here. And line H and G, they cross each other and they create vertical angles. So this angle here and this angle here are called vertical angles, and vertical angles are the angles opposite of each other that are created when 2 lines cross, and they are always equal. So that means this angle here is also 35 degrees. And then this one here, line F. Okay, line F, this one is a straight line, so that means the measure of this angle here is 180 degrees. But we're given this angle, which is 120 degrees. Therefore, this angle here is just equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is just equal to 60 degrees. So that means this is 60 degrees. So now we're given 2 angles in a triangle, so we can solve for x. And the sum of the measure of the angles inside a triangle is equal to 180. So that means that 35 degrees plus 60 degrees plus x is just equal to 180 degrees. And 35 plus 60, this is just 95 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. Subtract 95 from both sides. So we have x equals 85 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is just equal to 85 degrees. So the answer is letter C. Simplify. Okay, we're given this expression here. We just need to simplify. So we need to distribute the negative to the expression inside the parenthesis. Okay, so that would be 7y squared plus 3xy minus 9 minus 2y squared minus 3xy plus 5. And now we can group like terms. We group 7y squared and negative 2y squared. So that would be 7y squared minus 2y squared, and then plus 3xy minus 3xy minus 9 plus 5. 3xy minus 3xy is just equal to 0. So we cancel that out. And 7y squared minus 2y squared is 5y squared. And then negative 9 plus 5 is just negative 4. So we have 5y squared minus 4. That is our answer. So the answer is letter A. (6.6) times 10 to the negative 4 is equal to. Okay, so when we multiply a decimal value by 10 raised to a power, then it is equivalent to moving the decimal point to either the left or the right a number of times. It depends on the exponent here, or the power. So if the exponent is negative, then that means the decimal will be moved to the left. If the exponent is positive, then the decimal is moved to the right. So in this case, our exponent is negative, which is negative 4. So that means the decimal point is to be moved to the left 4 places. So let's do that. 6.6 times 10 to the negative 4. So that would be 6.6. We move, this is negative, so we move our decimal point to the left 4 places. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 0 here, 0, 0, and then our decimal point there. So that means this is just equal to 0.00066. So we have 3 zeros there. So our answer is letter B. Okay. What is the value of this numerical expression? So we have this one, square root of 6 squared equals square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. So let's simplify the expression inside the radical first. So 6 squared is just equal to 36, and then 8 squared is just equal to 64. And adding up 36 and 64, this would give us 100. So we have square root of 100, and square root of 100 can be written as 10 squared, or 10 times 10, and the square root of 10 squared is just equal to 10. So our answer here is letter C, 10.